In this session, I'll be explaining date and time format. The date format we can have in ISO format, user format, or environment format. It can be modified during printing by employing ISO user and environment types in accordance with the source code. Owner's setting can be changed, and based on that, user date format can be adjusted. It's very important to note that the output of all these three types can be different and is configured as well. For example, you can see you can print the current date in ISO format and user format and environment format. You need to pass the date equal to which format you want to print it, ISO, user or environment. Accordingly, based on the configuration, your output will be displayed like that. ISO format is this and user format and environment format. The path to change the format is in the menu. You can go to settings, user profile, user data, default, date format. You can default the date format for that particular user. Similar to the date format, time format, we also have raw, ISO, user and environment. So like date equal to ISO or user, similarly, we can give time equal to class above format TISO, class above format T user, class above format T environment or raw. So you can see the time in the raw means just the value, not no formatting. ISO format with colon and user format, environment format. Sometimes it can be same, sometimes it can be different based on the setup. This is how the date and time format can be presented in ISO, user, raw, environment format, different format using the new syntax. Thank you for watching.